So this is this 8th video in the tutorial series about pygame. Now we're going to learn about how to do images in Python. This is the code. Don't forget to put this in your code or else it will not run. So imagine you have an image in the directory, certain directory. So in this image is in the directory where images.py is saved. Now I initialize my canvas. After initializing my canvas, I'm going to come here to my image. Then I'm going to say pygame.image load. I'm going to load the image. Now the image I'm loading is a schematic drawing of the cooling system of an engine, a car engine. Schematic drawing. Now I'm going to put that image on the screen, bleed it at position 0, 0. And then after bleeding it at position 0, 0, I'm going to flip it onto the screen. So when I run the code, you can see that I put the image, this is the schematic drawing of the cooling system of an engine, and I've put it onto the screen. I've bleeded it onto the screen. This is how you would load an image in pygame. If you wanted to load a certain type of image, maybe some art or some characters, probably you would load the image like this. This is how you would load an image in